In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Leads inbox in Pipedrive. First, log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, look for Leads in the main navigation or sidebar and open the Leads inbox. Think of leads as potential opportunities that aren't ready for your pipeline yet. The Leads inbox is your staging area, where you collect, qualify, and organize interest before deciding whether to convert it into a deal. To create a new entry, click Add Lead. This opens a form with a few key fields. Start by typing the contact person. This is the individual you're speaking with or hoping to reach. As you type, Pipedrive may suggest existing contacts. Selecting one helps you avoid duplicates and keeps your data clean. If it's a brand new contact, go ahead and add the name exactly as you want it saved. Next, type the organization. This ties the lead to the company they represent. Linking an organization gives your team context, makes it easier to find related deals later, and lets you view all activity for that company in one place. As with the person field, pick from suggestions if the company already exists. Now set the value. Enter the amount as a number, then choose USD from the currency drop-down. Keeping values numeric and standardized in a single currency improves your forecasting and reporting. If you're not sure of the exact amount yet, enter your best estimate. You can always update it later as the conversation progresses. Select a label to categorize the lead. Labels are quick tags such as new or qualified that make it easy to filter and prioritize. Use the same label conventions across your team so everyone interprets them the same way. Set a close date. This is your target date for moving the lead forward or closing the opportunity. It's helpful for planning, follow-ups, and forecasting, and it keeps your pipeline expectations realistic. Don't worry if it changes. Adjust it as you learn more. Choose web forms as your source. Source tracking tells you where the lead came from, which is essential for measuring marketing performance and knowing which channels bring the best prospects. Add an email address for the contact. Use a valid, monitored inbox. This ensures your outreach, automations, and scheduled emails actually reach the right person. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new lead will appear in the Leads inbox, ready for you to review, add notes, schedule activities, and, when the time is right, convert into a deal. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.